Hello there and welcome to a very quick tutorial by the AMLOGIC project. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install ScottELEC onto the internal storage on your S805 or S905 device. Now if you're running S905 ScottELEC, bear in mind is that when you are choosing the DTB files, so we covered this in previous videos, when you're choosing those DTB files, make sure you're selecting the NAND version. That's really important, and you must go back right now if you're going to be doing this internal install, making sure that you've got those NAND install DTB files on your SD card. If you're using S805, this does not apply to you, and you can just continue watching. My name is Matthew and you're watching another tutorial by the AMLOGIC project. Right, first of all, let's go and grab our IP address, and we can easily do that. Just go to System Information within Kodi, and you'll see it just say mine is 192.168.0.14. Now we've got that, let's go over to the computer. So now you need to install a small program called PUTTY. This is going to SSH into ScottELEC so we can install it internally. Now what I'll do is I'll leave the links in the description to that. But it's a very simple program, you shouldn't have too many issues installing it. What I want you to do is open it up, and then what I want you to do is just where it says hostname, I want you to type that IP address we have just collected from Kodi. Type that in, and then press enter. Now what PUTTY will ask you to do is you just click yes, and then it'll ask you for the login. And the login is root, and the password is ScottELEC, that is spelled with 2 T's. Once you've done that, just click enter, and then the final thing you need to do is just type in install to internal. That's all you need to do. Once you've done that, you can click enter again, and then type yes, because it'll ask you whether you want to do this or not. Just type yes and click enter again. The system will start backing up certain files and then preparing to actually install and replace whatever is in your internal storage partition. It'll actually ask you if you want to send your internal data, so anything you've maybe done on Kodi, it'll ask you whether you want to actually send that over as well. So maybe you've installed some add-ons or set certain things up, you know, this is the chance now to actually send that over. So you just type yeah, Wi-Fi yes basically. Then the system will basically stop Kodi and then start copying other things over as well, and then it will pretty much be the end of it. And then it'll ask you to whether you want to reboot the system. What I'd do is just remove the SD card now, and then reboot it and then remove the SD card, and then you'll be able to boot into the internal. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope this has been helpful for you and to help you get ScottELEC onto the internal storage on your AMLOGIC Android TV box. My name is Matthew and you've been watching another tutorial by the AMLOGIC project. Don't forget to check out the website amlogicproject.com for tutorials, reviews and so on, as well as our Facebook group and of course our Twitter at AMLOGIC project. Thanks again, guys, and we shall see you very soon in another video.